Okay, so in this unit, we're talking about if statements. And in this code that we're looking at here, there's a lot of if statements. And they're used to allow the user to, when we run the code, they allow the user to make decisions and allow the computer to interpret these decisions and make a result. So right now it says you are in and in. If I were to choose one, you look down here, input equals 1. If input equals 1, there's damage dealt and there's damage taken. There's also, if the damage dealt is less than 20, the computer tells you that it was only this much damage. If the damage dealt is more, it says the attack does this much damage, which means that the computer lets you know that you didn't do much damage because it says only if it's less than 20. If you look at this and it says the user inputs 2 to drink a health potion, and I'm going to do that, you see that it tells you now to have 2 health potions left. It removed 1 health potion. So if statements are very valuable, and they allow the user input to affect what is happening on the screen. These would be the same user inputs that you would use in a video game. So if you move the joystick right and left, these are the same type of things that you would use in that type of code. So let's look at that in this video. If statements are conditionals. Conditionals are used to execute code when a Boolean expression is true or false. A Boolean expression is one that is either true or false, like x is greater than 0. Example of the structure of an if statement. So if you look at this example, you can see how an if statement is actually structured. And later on in this unit, you'll be making them on your own. This one checks to see if a value is positive or negative. Occasionally, if statements have more than 2 options, and they can be adjusted to accommodate 3 or even more if necessary.